7 billion people are living on Earth. Over 2 billion are connected to Internet through various devices. The Internet has been expanding to serve millions of users in all parts of the world. It all started with personal computers, then other devices introduced to the market like laptops, smartphones and tablets, all allowed people to be connected to the Internet. And we know that thousands of applications have appeared with the introduction of each new device. Every day, more new things will be connected to the Internet. Internet becomes Internet of Things. Some of these connected devices and applications are already on the market. Smart thermostats, connected cars, activity trackers, smart outlets, and quickly advancing to diverse new applications. Home applications, transportation sector, health and medical applications, smart buildings, and smart cities. You are sitting home using various electrical devices. With each device you use, the power consumption increase. The power consumption of a household is measured by a sensor attached to the regular electricity meter. The sensor sends the data regarding your consumption to a monitoring center. When the power grid reaches overload state, they can respond immediately and send text messages to individual users, asking them to reduce their consumption and even suggest the devices they need to shut down. You are driving your car on the road back from your work. The car engine starts making strange noises, and you notice a flashlight in the car dashboard. And without any action from you, the sensor sends data about your location to the nearest car service. The service center responds immediately and sends a rescue car to your location. A pregnant woman is home alone. She starts to feel a minor contraction. Fortunately, she is wearing a bio-wearable sensor on her arm, and the device measures various bioparameters of her body. The device sends the data to a registered hospital. The hospital immediately sends an ambulance. The woman feels a strong contraction, but the help was already there for her. She makes it to the hospital on time and had her baby safe and sound. An office building, visitors entering it daily. Each person passes through a security gate with a sensor which sends an updated data about building occupancy to the Civil Safety Administration. A small fire starts in the highest floor of the building. The firefighters are there and evacuation process started. The firemen monitoring the evacuation process, still 4 persons trapped in the building. Immediately, firemen go for the rescue and they manage to save the 4 persons. No one is left behind. What exactly is the Internet of Things? Internet of Things is driven by a combination of sensors, connectivity, people, and processes. With sensors, we can digitally sense and measure everything: vision, acceleration and tilt, electricity, fluid leaks and levels, gas and chemicals, flow, sound, vibration and temperatures, and much more quantities and parameters. Connectivity allows us to digitize the sensor's inputs and place it onto network. IoT utilize all ways of connection methods and internet protocols. These networked inputs combined into bidirectional systems that integrate data, people and processes for better decision making. How large is the Internet of Things market? In 2014, nearly 2 billion connected devices were shipped. By 2020, 50 billion connected devices will be shipped. Internet will have 8 billion devices, excluding mobiles, tablets, and laptops. Those devices will be serving 5 main market sectors. Home consumer sector will have the highest share, over 3.7 billion device shipped. These numbers reveal a huge revenue opportunity from IoT business. Generated revenue from enablement hardware will be over $43 billion, while revenue from network services reach $387 billion. But the biggest share will be for managed services and applications, which will grow to $572 billion. In total, IoT business value will grow to $1 trillion by 2020, leading to 5 billion applications that will be developed by 2020. And because developing tools used today are not suitable for tomorrow's applications, new tool is needed. Introducing Master of Things. Bridging the gap between sensors and users, Master of Things is an M2M visual IDE that introduces plug-and-play concepts into the Internet of Things world. It provides an easy and standard way to collect data from various sensors and makes the sensors' data available inside the visual applications development environment. Sensor installation and connectivity becomes plug and play. Programming and application development becomes drag and drop. MOT provides a complete end-to-end approach from sensors to end users' applications.